Hello learners, in this video we will learn how to use swap to refresh layout. Swap to refresh layout is a layout which you use to refresh your data like in a Gmail and Facebook app. When you scroll down, then you able to refresh your data as well as load new data on demand. So like here, for simplicity I will update this label when I refresh this. Like I will swap to bottom and this will loading is showing, this refresh loader is showing, and when a task is done then I change the state of this and it's gone. Okay, so let's get started. I have already created a project and create a list of titles which we are going to use, and add a library for swap swap swipe refresh layout in my app build file, and I have also add Kotlin extension in my this app label build file. Kotlin extension is a extension which is used to means get rid of find view by id. I will give a link of these two videos, like how to add a dependency, new dependency, as well as how to add Kotlin extension and what is the use of Kotlin extension. So now change our layout file to add a swipe swipe refresh layout. Okay, and copy this all the properties, paste here, and move down and close our swap to refresh layout. Remove these three properties. Okay, now give the id to our swap to refresh layout. id root root sorry. Now go to our main activity, and here I'm using Android Studio 4.1, and if you want to this kind of functionality then you need to add extension. Means I'm not inflating this root from layout, it's automatically added for me. It's magic of Kotlin Android extensions. Okay, so you will check the suggestion video for this, and here we will get a product title of product based on our random titles dot get random dot next int and until titles dot size. Okay, and here you will use our label test is equal to title of product, and when it's done then we need to hide or is refreshing property false, so that our progress bar is hide. To give us some delay on this, we use handler and looper dot set mail ऊपर post delayed, and here we will give a delay in millisecond and move this code here. Now run our program to check the output. If everything is fine, you are able to see this output, like when I swap down, then this title is refreshed based on a random basis. Now refresh. Good morning, good evening. So that's all for this video. Please like, share my video as well as subscribe my channel. If you have any specific requirement, please share with me. I will try my best to make a video on that. Thank you very much.